Hey, welcome to our channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Dr. Ghosh, and today I'll share with you another very inspirational tale about an Indian environmentalist who has grown a 1,300 acre forest. Inspirational? Let's get on with the tale shortly. If you like my inspirational stories, please do subscribe to my channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. For those of you who are already subscribers, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. You keep me motivated to get you an inspirational story. So, coming back to our inspirational story, the persons whose story I will be sharing with you today is Jadav Molai Payeng. He is from Assam in India. He was born in 1963 in the Mishing tribe in Assam. Now, in Assam, the river Brahmaputra flows there, and there is a huge island by the name of Majuli. This island was recognized as a district by Indian government in 2016. This island occupied a space of 880 square kilometers, but because of erosion, constant soil erosion, it shrunk to a size of 350 square kilometers. More than 50% was eroded. Now, the hero of our story, Jadav Molai Payeng, was born in 1963. During a flood in 1979, on this island, he noticed a lot of snakes which had come onto the island because of the flooding had died on the sandbars on the island because of heat and lack of forest cover. Jadav Payeng started planting bamboo trees there. The first year in 1979, he planted 20 bamboo trees and started this in his own small way. Then, in the year of 1980, the government of Assam took up a forestation program on the island of Majuli, and it set aside 200 acres forest for this afforestation. But due to various reasons, it stopped this program in 1983. So all the laborers went away, but Jadav stayed back. Jadav Payeng, whose only source of income was selling milk of his cattle and buffaloes and working as a laborer, stayed back in the same area of the Majuli island. On the Majuli island, he started tending to this 200 hectares of land which had some afforestation done. From 1979 till date, there is a period of 40 years. He has made that area into a 1,360 acres or 550 hectares of forest land, which has been named Molai Forest in his honor. His full name, Jadav Molai Payeng. Can you imagine from a barren landscape to an 550 acre or 550 hectares or 1,360 acres of forest land? Conversion is amazing. In his forest today, are Royal Bengal tigers, elephants, 110 elephants which have laid 10 calves, deers, rabbits, monkeys, birds, and a multiple of others flora and fauna. He converted a barren landscape into a 1360 acres of forest in a period of over 40 years. This was not known to many forest officials or even to the government of India. It was only when a few elephants went missing from the surrounding forest reserve, the forest officers came to that area and were flabbergasted to see such a huge forest there. And they found their 110 elephants in this forest. Amazing, right? Now the situation is such that the forest is rejuvenating itself. Rather, does not have to do much now. The forest keeps rejuvenating itself, and the forest is expanding. Now on this forest, Jadav Paying stays along with his family of 3 children and a wife, and their source of income is cattle farming and milk selling. In addition, this forest is now able to support another 110 members of the Mishing tribe with sustainable living. Jadav, for his efforts, turning a total vacant land into 1360 acres of forest land, was first recognized in 2012 by the Jawaharlal Nehru University, where the Vice Chancellor Sopiri gave him this sobriquet of Forest Man of India. He was also recognized in 2013 by the Indian Institute of Forest Management. He was honored in a function there. In 2015, he won a Padma Shri award. Can you imagine the scale of the project? 1360 acres of land has been afforested by the efforts of a single person. Again, just like our environmentalists whose details I shared with you on an earlier video, he too, Jadav Molai Paying, is largely uneducated. No support from anywhere else, just a vision, determination, and a decision to make a difference to society and the environment at large. A truly inspirational human being. Who has converted a barren landscape to a beautiful forest where now Royal Bengal tigers, elephants, deer, rabbits, monkeys, and multiple other flora and fauna coexist. Goes on to prove, if you want to make a difference, you can and you will, if you have the vision and the determination to do it. It is ordinary people like Jadav Paying who achieve extraordinary results thanks to their determination and vision. Jadav continues to live in the same forest with other members of his tribe's men and eke out a living by selling milk and other sustainable products. 110 families today are supported by this forest of the Mishing tribe. Truly an inspirational and amazing human being, Jadav Molai Pei Ing, who, with his determination and vision, has transformed the Majuli Island from a barren landscape to a huge forest land. So, friends, if you like my inspirational stories, please do subscribe to my channel. I will meet you soon with another inspirational story. Till we meet again, good luck and all the best.